Hello everybody, I'm going to do a quick cutting video today because I just came in, it's Sunday morning, I thought I need to go and cut my soap, which I made on Friday, so I'm a bit behind because I just had a day at home yesterday. I've got a spring release, like a pre-buy that's gone live, and that's up until Tuesday. So the pre-buy includes products, whip soap, scrubs, hair rinse, like conditioning hair rinse, and bubbling bath salts and body creams. So I make those to order. Everything else will remain up until it's gone. So like bar soaps are made, and like general catalogue stuff that I've already made is up there. So till Tuesday you can buy the pre-buy. So I've just come up to cut the soap because orders from the pre-buy will start to ship about in 3 to 4 weeks time when I've made all the products. And so Friday I made this one, which is green tea and lemon, and I haven't been up to cut it because I was just pretty much at home yesterday. We did go and walk the dog. What else did we do? Not a lot. Matt had to go out to the pottery in the afternoon to go and sort the till out for the next day, and I watched Fargo. I had a bit of a session on Fargo yesterday. This is the series, not the film, so I'm watching that on Netflix. So if you've not seen Fargo and you like quite nasty stuff, it is quite nasty, just get some tissue, then yeah, I can highly recommend Fargo. It's Billy Bob Thornton plays a really good character. Martin Freeman plays an excellent character. I mean, it's pretty cray, but it's pretty cute. So I'm just going to chop one of these on camera. So this is green tea and lemon. I've made this before, but I didn't film the making of it because it's pretty stressful to make. So what we have is a layer of green in the base, and then there are some soap quills. So when I plane off my soaps, you know, you get like the soap that curls. They're like quills, like those biscuit quills. I've got a layer of those, and then on the top I've done like a yellow and white, like I poured alternate colours. I've done this soap before on video to music. I did like a really quick video of this before. It smells really good. But I thought I don't want to make it on camera this time because I was making 2 logs. I've got like another one here, and when I'm making one it's a lot easier, but when I'm making 2 it can be a bit of a nightmare. So what I'm going to do is bring you in so you can see the cut of this soap. I've just got all over my pulley. Hold on, I'll bring you in and you can see what it looks like inside. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm going to put it on its side actually because I've got chamomile buds running right through the top. So it looks like the colours are very nice. So yeah, we're going to have some, like, there'll be some holes maybe where the centre of those soap quills are, but that's okay. It should be pretty much the same design as before. We're getting a little bit of a titanium dioxide crackle in there because I did just ever so slightly up the water, but it's not too, oh wow, look at that. All right, so yeah, that's cool. So yeah, other than this, other than it's getting ready and geared up for my spring pre-buy, I've not really been doing that much else. I've just been packing orders last week and making soaps. I think I've shown pretty much every other one that I've made. Yeah, the last one was that wild fig, and then I just did this one to finish off the range for spring, and then I'll be moving on to the pre-buy stuff I've got to do, and then I'm going to be thinking about summer and what I'm going to offer for summer. So I don't know whether to do a pre-buy again. They do work well, but Yeah, they do work well. I mean, I don't mind it. It's just sometimes I just like to make a load of products, stick it on the shelf, and it's done. So that when it goes live, it's all ready. This is just doing it the other way around. So the products are bought before I make them. I mean, it's a really good thing because it saves you having to make too many of something that might not sell as fast then, you know. It's a good way of doing stuff, but I don't know, I kind of like the traditional way of doing stuff as well. It's just like making it and then it's ready. But what this does enable me to do is continue to make my general catalogue stuff in between, and then when all the orders are done, I can, you know, it's, I don't know what I'm saying really. Once it's out the way, it's like I'm free to create again, you know what I mean? It's like I know what I've got to make, and then I can make it, get it out the door, and then I'm free to make again whatever I like. I like doing limited editions, and the seasonal stuff is where I do my pre-buys. So in between, it's like I can get really creative and do what I want to do, you know? But soap is my favourite thing to do, so that's where the creative side comes in more than anything else. So I like my soap making more than I like making all the other products. It's just the other products are what they are, and they're a bit boring to make because it's just making up the base and then adding the scent and whipping them up, adding the base, whipping them up. You know, it's not, there's not too much that goes into it really, other than just making a base and adding scent to it. Whereas soap making is such a creative little thing, and there's always a reward at the end, which is the cut, so that you can see inside. So that's that. That be that soap. It's not going to be a very long video because excuse me, I've not got anything else really to tell you. I will just say I watched this film on Friday. I just watched Peter Marn, who I watch a lot, as I've mentioned before. He does a review channel, and he just reviewed this film, and he actually said it was really good. I was like, are you off your hinges? The worst film I've seen in ages. I can't even remember the name. Romantic, Isn't It Romantic? That was it. I'm just going to cut this other log, and we can talk about this terrible movie I just watched. I don't know if any of you have seen it, but I really like the actress, the leading role, but the film was just diabolical to me. It's the sort of thing I just cannot stand. I don't like rom-coms. I mean, the point of the film is the lead character hates rom-coms, but finds herself like banging her head and ending up in, like, her life is like one big rom-com, and it's just like, I thought, yeah, that sounds promising, that sounds like it might be quite funny, and at the beginning it was funny, and there are bits in the film that I did find funny, but hang on, something stuck in my glove. I cannot stand singing and dancing in movies unless it's a singing and dancing film. I don't like things like Mamma Mia. Just no. That is just not my kind of film at all. I hate things like that. I shouldn't be so negative, but I just don't like it. It makes me feel really uncomfortable, and I just don't like singing and dancing. Unless you're a singer and a dancer, you know, films like, I mean, in films, I don't like it. It's just, I just find it embarrassing. And I don't like it. So I did manage to get to the end of the film, but then at the end of the film there's like this whole montage of the cast like singing and dancing, and I was like, this is where we turned it off and we watched something else. So I turned it off and watched Gogglebox, which was on Channel 4. So if you're in the UK, you'll know what Gogglebox is. Just a bunch of people sitting in their houses watching the TV and being filmed while they do it, and it just cracks me up. It's funny. It's a very funny programme. So I love Gogglebox, and then I watched The Last Leg, which is another Channel 4 Friday night programme, and then I thought I'll turn over for Graham Norton on BBC One, but he wasn't on this week, so I don't know if the series is stopped. So Matt went out Friday, he went skateboarding, so I was home alone. So yeah, I watched that cheesy flick, and then I watched some TV, and then he came back. Oh, I did go and get a Chinese, because I thought, well, while the cat's away, I'm going to get myself a takeaway. So me and the dog ate some takeaway, and I had Chinese food which I love, 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 love Chinese food so much. And Matt's not so keen, so when he goes out, I can get myself a Chinese and relish it, because I just love Chinese food so much. I would live on it if I could. So I had some prawns that were stir-fried with chilli and salt in like a really light batter. And I had some boiled rice, and I had some sweet and sour sauce, and I had a portion of chips. Chips meaning fries in the UK, but Chinese chips are so good. Oh, so I really enjoyed that, but I just felt like a fat cow afterwards, because I scoffed the whole thing. Not all the chips, but I like ate the whole thing. So I'm back in the gym tomorrow. And that's about it. That's about my life at the moment. And about all I've got to tell you. So I don't know what video I'll be doing next. Let me have a think. I don't know. I've got some of those oils that I did from the Candle Shack haul that I've not used yet. So I've got all those sitting waiting to be used. And I've also got a ton of fragrance oils I need to use up. So I might make some bath bombs, or I might make some soaps with them. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'll just give that a wipe down in a second. Okay, so that is my green tea and lemon soap. It's got a hint of bamboo in there as well, actually. And I'll just bring out a few so you can see again. So that's them. I think they came out pretty cute. And I'm going to trim them up and put them on the shelf, and then I'm going to go to Tesco's to go and do my weekly shopping and get all the lovely food. So I'll see you for the next video, and if you want to catch up with me more in the week, you can find me on Instagram and Twitter, and all links will be down below. There's also Facebook as well, but I prefer Instagram and Twitter to interact with people, so follow me on there and I'll leave the links for you. Okie doke. Oh, I'll come on the other side and turn this off. So, I'll be seeing you. Ta-ta.